Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Ace and you are welcome to my kitchen. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare this gizzard sauce and this cup tea, going down with it. So if you want to know and you have interest, keep on watching to the very end of this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is my gizzard. I've already washed it thoroughly and I'm adding my seasoning cube. I'm using this seasoning cube jumbo. Then also I'll be adding my garlic powder and also my ginger powder. Then I will add my onions. Yes, then I will stir it together. Okay. So I'll just put it on the gas to cook. Yeah, while I go ahead and dice my green and yellow and onions. So now it has been cooked. I'll just go ahead and fry it. So I don't want that crunchy one. I just want to fry it a little bit. You see this? Yes, a little bit. Then I will step it aside while I go ahead and make another sauce. That's my diced onions and my yellow pepper and my green pepper. So I'll just stir together. You see what I'm doing there? Stir together, stir very well. Then I add my seasoning cube for taste. I like it to cook for like 2 minutes, not that, because I don't want it overcooked. Then I add my gizzard into it. After adding my gizzard, I just leave it to cook for another 2 minutes. You see that? There is my mashed strawberries. Yeah, I mash it a little to give that flavor, and my bitter syrup for the cocktail taste. You know what I mean? Then I just go ahead and add it. Then I add some ice cube. Then I added my lemon juice. Yeah, this lemon is just lemon according to the. So this is it, and my sauce is ready. So I'm transferring it into this. Look at it. It's very delicious. Look at the outcome of it. So this is the cocktail and the sauce. If you enjoy watching, don't forget to give me big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and see more of this video. Okay, see you guys in my next one. Bye.